How to uninstall apps on Android. If you want to uninstall any apps on Android and don't know how to do it, don't worry, we got you covered. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. So to uninstall app on Android, all you need to do is find the app that you want to uninstall. So here, let me uninstall this app Remitly. So what you need to do is just hold on the app for a few seconds and then tap on uninstall. Then on bottom of your screen or middle, you will see this pop-up called uninstall Remitly. So uninstalling will remove all app data. So you will find two options in bottom, cancel and uninstall. So simply tap on uninstall. As you do it, the app will be uninstalled. Or else what you can do is go to settings, and then if you scroll down a bit, you will find this section called apps. So tap on it, and then here you will find this option to manage apps, or you will see the list of apps available on a device. So here simply scroll down and find the app that you want to uninstall. So here let me look for any of those. So here let me uninstall this one. So tap on the app that you want to uninstall, and there on bottom of your screen you will find this option to uninstall. So simply tap on it, and then you will see this pop-up again. Uninstalling will remove this app data. So tap on OK. So as soon as you do that, the app will be uninstalled on your device. So this is how you can uninstall apps on Android devices. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.